Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class 10th, chapter 3rd, cross multiplication method, where we will remind this formula by this code 2312. You were thinking what is 123? So I am telling these are linear general equations in two variables. Before I am telling one thing. Firstly, whenever your equation is not in this manner, means constant term is here, firstly you have to do each and every term by changing its sign only on left hand side. So after that you will compare. X coefficient is your first one, y's coefficient is your 2, and constant term is your 3. I hope you are getting. X coefficient is your 1, Y's coefficient is your 2, constant term is your 3. After that you will write X is equal to Y is equal to 1. You will take upon, firstly you will write 2, according to this you will write then 3, then 1, then 2. In this manner you will write, then you will multiply. Firstly these multiply, then always you will take negative sign here, then you are getting this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Always you will take negative sign always, but if any sign is there then it will become positive. Same for others. After that you will equate x and y terms with constant terms, like this term you will keep with this and I kept this will become its numerator. Similarly you will keep with the constant, then you will get the value of x and y. But remind this thing also, this method is applicable only for unique solution. Unique solution means when lines are intersecting. It is consistent. How will you check? You were thinking you have done this already, and in my previous video you can check also. I am telling one thing more. You have to check it by your ratios. A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 is there, then only you can apply this formula. Firstly, let us discuss some examples. Solve these equations are given to you. Firstly, I told ki you have to write in this manner, means constant term you will keep on left side. So I kept 42 will come on this side, and this one also I kept, so in that manner it will become 0. Yes, now these equations you have. Firstly you will compare with the general equation. A1 means x coefficient, b1 y's coefficient, c1 is your constant term. Similarly you are writing with a2 b2 c2. Then firstly you will check the ratios. A1 upon a2, b1 upon b2. You will observe these are not equal, no need to check c1 upon c2. So it means you can apply unique method is here. So you can apply this method because it has unique solution only. Only for unique solution you will apply cross multiplication method. Now I am doing x equal to y is equal to 1. Then you will keep 2, then 3, then 1, then 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you will multiply these, minus 198, minus you will keep yourself, minus is already coming, minus minus plus, and here also minus minus plus with this also. Then you will solve plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, but you will take the sign of bigger term. After that you will take the x term with constant and then solve it, and then you will take y term with it, then you will do cross multiplication, you will get. So these are the values of x and y. I hope you are getting. Now let us discuss second example. Solve for x and y when you have given in this manner, means 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, x minus 1 by 2y is equal to 1 by 3. Firstly you have to check is it a unique solution or not. A1 is your 2, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 I have written. Then you will check its ratio. A1 upon A2 you are getting 2 upon 1, B1 upon B2 you are getting 3 upon minus 1 by 2. You know this thing, whenever it is in division you will write in this manner, but if you have to change division into multiplication, then what will you do? You will take its reciprocal. Yes, it will become minus 6 upon 1 you can write, but these are not equal, so it means it has unique solution. After that I am applying cross multiplication method, same in that manner. Firstly 2, then 3, then 1, then 2. Now you are thinking why I have taken negative sign. Yes, I tell you one thing here. If you have not shifted these terms on left hand side, you have kept on same place, then you will take negative sign here. Means whenever right side is your not 0, then you will take negative sign. If you have taken 0 here and you have shifted there, then you will take positive sign here. I did and put the values. Yes, I have kept C1 is 2 only. Whenever I am shifting here, then it will become minus 2. Then you will take positive here. I hope you are getting. Then 3 into 1 by 3 means 1. Minus minus plus. It will cancel. So only 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 by 3. Then it will be cancel. Minus 1 minus 3. Now you will equate in this manner. Minus 2 upon minus 4. And y's value also you will get. I hope you got the cross multiplication method how to do by this code. Now reducing method. Reducing method means where you have to use one step more, but after that you can use any method. I am doing one example. Suppose 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 2. 1 upon x minus 1 upon 2y is equal to 1 by 3. Firstly, you will observe in this equation x and y that you have to find both are in denominator, and in both equations both are in same manner. So by observing you will say 1 upon x equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. After that I will write it will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, and here a minus 1 by y is your b, but 1 by 2 remains same is equal to 1 by 3. After that you can use any method to find a and b. I use substitution method. In my video I told ki which term is without coefficient, then you will find the value of that variable. In these two equations I can find a in easy form, so I got. Then I will put this equation is equal to a, and now you will put this value you have taken from fourth, you will put in third. Yes, then you will solve, multiply inside. 2 will be cancelled, outer term will be multiplied with both terms. Yes, then you have taken 4b is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3 means plus will become negative. Then 3 2s are 6 minus 2 upon 3, it will become 4b upon 3. 4 cancel, so b is 1 by 3. And now you are putting this value in your a. A is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 remains same, b you put 1 by 3, it will become 1 by 6. Taken the LCM. 3 2s are 6, that's why 1 2s are 2 plus 6 1s are 6, 1 1s are 1, 3 upon 6 it will become 1 by 2. But it's not over because you got the values of a and b, that you let yourself, but your motive is to find x and y. So you will put 1 upon x equal to a. A is your what? A is your 1 by 2 and b is your 1 by 3. Then after that you will put these values is equal to here. Yes, I am putting by cross multiplication. You will see कि x is your 2 and y is your 3. I hope you are getting. In this manner you will use reducing method by using other methods.